Hello class, thanks for joining me. I am instructor Daniel Schmeling for INT1112. This is your course wrap up for lesson 1 or week 1. I just wanted to go over a couple things, but first remember that you should go into the grade book and review your grades. Make sure that you're reading that feedback because that feedback provides valuable information for future discussions or future assignments. So always go in, review your grade, make sure that if you don't understand something, you reach out to me and we can discuss. Okay, so just a quick wrap up. Lesson 1 was about understanding the objectives of the PC Pro exam, basic hardware components, video, audio, external devices, and basically it's a review of chapters 1 through 5 and 9, right? So this course, INT1112, is a roll-up of both INT1110 and 1111. So a lot of the information is or should be reviewed to you. So make sure that you are understanding those concepts and chapters. Remember that in your discussions, if you have an idea or concept that is not your own idea or concept, that you list a reference. For example, you can't write about frame rate and refresh rate of monitors if, while you're pulling that information from somewhere and you don't list a reference. That is not common knowledge. Or the in-depth discussion of processors requires some research, so you should be listing a reference when you do conduct that research, right? Any idea that's not your own should have a reference. Make sure that you're using Word to type your discussions up to do a spell check. Type it up in Word, do spelling and grammar before you post it so that it catches those mistakes that you're making, and it'll help you with your post. Remember that we have about 25 days left, so you have to keep up with your lab sim. It becomes very cumbersome at the end, a lot of them to do. So if you do fall behind, that's okay. Just remember that 25 days, you should try to do as many as you can in those days, maybe 1 a day or 2 a day if you have to. All right, folks, that's all. Let's have a great week 2. Thanks.